My dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from chemistry numerical. Question is, an open vessel contains 200 milligram of air at 17 degrees Celsius. What weight percent of air would be expelled if the vessel is heated to 117 degrees Celsius? The solution is, suppose volume of 200 milligram of air at 17 degrees Celsius equals to V milliliter ml. As pressure remains constant, being an open vessel, applying Charles's law, V1 by V2 is equals to T1 by T2. That we can also say that V1 by T1 equals to V2 by T2, because from V1 by T1 only we have got V1 by T1 is equals to V2 by T2. From that only we have got V1 by V2 is equals to T1 by T2. This implies V by 17 plus 273, because V2 is here, T1 is 17 degrees Celsius, so 17 plus 273, because V1 by T1. So T1 is 17 plus 273 equals to V2 by, and T2 is 117, so we will convert it into Kelvin by adding plus 273. So 117 plus 273. So, and we have supposed that volume is V, and that's why V by 290 equals to V2 by 390. And by crisscross multiplication we get 219 90 V2 equals to 390 V, and therefore V2 is equals to 390 V by 290. 0 0 cancel, so 39V by 29, that is equals to 1.34 V. So volume of air expelled is equals to 1.34 V minus V, that is equals to 0.34 V. And now, since mass of 1.34 V air at 117 degrees Celsius is equals to 200 milligram, therefore mass of 1 V air at 117 degrees Celsius will be 200 by 1.34 milligram. Therefore, mass of 0.34 V air at at 100 at here is two times. So at 117 degrees Celsius will be 200 into 0.34 by 1.34. Here after decimal, here also 2 digit, here also 2 digit, so it is being removed. And then by multiplying 200 into 34 we get 6800 by 134 milligram. And so therefore percentage mass percentage of air expelled is equals to 6800 by 134 into 100 by 200, because 200 milligram is the original mass. Here both the zeros are being cancelled, so by 2 6800 is being cancelled, and then we get here 3400 by 134. Again these both are being cancelled by 2, so here we get 1700 by 67, and that is equals to, after dividing we get 25.37%. This is our answer, that is mass percent of air expelled is 25.37%. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.